The current process may be interpreted as a shift away from regimes of sociality in closed social systems and towards regimes of sociality in open social systems. Both communities and organizations are social systems with clear boundaries, with highly defined inside and outside. Networks, however, are open social systems. Linked to this, there is another topic we could mention here, which has to do with technological sociality. In recent years, there has emerged a rapidly growing body of literature that seeks to explore the social implications of information and communication technologies. Emailing, online chatting, web surfing, and other interactive practices have given rise to individualization and a high degree of mobility by translocal communications, a high amount of social contacts, and a subjective management of networks. People are, so to speak, increasingly transplanted from their context and reinserted in largely disembedded social relations, which they must at the same time continually construct. Although I have only anecdotal experience, I am certain that it would be rewarding to analyze the mailing address books of Latin American social scientists, for we would surely find the most unusual long-distance linkages in the kinds of contacts they engaged in. And this not only for so-called elite scientists. I think that empirical research would prove that many Latin American social scientists spend more time in maintaining certain distant contacts because there is less chance that casual, quick meetings occur, as would happen when there is a greater overlapping among social networks. I suggest that Latin American researchers have to spend considerably more time planning and keeping meetings with a rather small number of those who are known, communicating and also traveling from afar to keep in contact. Throughout history, intellectual contributions from Euro-America were affected by a reality which was not theirs and could only be understood once they were realized to have ceased to be such in order to become something different from their origins. Problematizing the future study of the social sciences in the region by interrogating the work we currently do raises exciting new questions of research. The theories used in conjunction with new actors, new approaches, and novel practices push us to reframe our understanding of social research. But this implies revising what knowledge is taken to be social science. What comes out of the relationship of theory and practice? How does social science translate into, or which parts of it do? Drawing on new questions, new theories, new approaches, we would be able to better follow the fault lines that demarcate new knowledge power regimes that encompass a globally situated social science. The future of the social science is reached then with promise and difficulty. Thank you very much.